When AO crosses above the zero line, short-term momentum is now rising faster than the long-term momentum. This can present a bullish buying opportunity. When AO crosses below the zero line, short-term momentum is now falling faster than the long-term momentum. Selling opportunity. The Awesome Oscillator can be a fairly valuable tool. Momentum is one of those aspects of the market that is crucial to understanding price movements, yet it is so hard to get a solid grip on. AO, momentum, can be used in some instances to generate quality signals, but much like with any signal generating indicator, it should be used with caution. Truly understanding the setups and avoiding false signals is something that the best traders learn through experience over time. That being said, the Awesome indicator produces quality information and may be a valuable technical analysis tool. Like and subscribe our channel. Your trading success with my expert signal service. I provide 5 to 10 daily trading signals to help you make profitable trades. Simply subscribe to my YouTube channel for market analysis and join my Telegram channel to receive real-time signals. Check my track record to see my successful trades. By following my signals, you can increase your profits and achieve financial goals. No experience needed, my expert guidance helps you trade with confidence. Thank you for watching. Join me in the next video for more trading insights. Must subscribe my YouTube channel and Telegrams for more videos and updates.